Before sending the Excel file, first separate one of the sheets in the Excel file into its own Excel file. To do this, right-click on the selected sheet and select Move or Copy. Then, change the To Book section to New Book, then check Create a Copy so that the sheet remains in the original Excel file. Click OK to save the settings, and a new Excel file will automatically appear. After that, save the new Excel file. Now you can send an Excel file containing the desired sheet. To do this, log into WhatsApp Web and click the plus icon next to the message input area. Several sending options will appear. Since we're sending an Excel document, select Document. Locate and select the Excel file you just created, then click Open. The file will upload, and you can send it directly to the desired WhatsApp number. Easy, right? I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you find the explanation above unclear, I encourage you to leave your questions in the comments section below. See you in the next video.